No stairs to enter this home. And a spacious 2,120 square feet. Sits back from the road for privacy, and yet you're not isolated. Dining room is open to the kitchen and living room. Lovely cabinets and granite countertops. The color scheme throughout leaves much possibility. The master bedroom is huge. There are wood floors in much of the home. Need several bedrooms? There are a possible 5 here. This room has plumbing for a half bath already in place. What a place to sit! With a view to the back lawn and trails in the woods. This photo was taken in May. Canoe or kayak right from home. Outdoor recreation abounds in this area. You're a half hour from Sunday River Ski Resort and Rocky Mountain Terrain Park, lakes for swimming and boating, mountains for hiking. It's Maine.